Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Rahul. I am a senior PPC executive at Softix. Today we are back with another case study. Today we will discuss about how we got 40 plus leads with the CPA of $18 in landscaping service. Client background. Our client, a reputable landscaping service provider, aimed to expand their reach and generate high quality leads through Google Ads. Targeting the Canadian market, the client wanted to increase their customer base and achieve a cost effective lead generation strategy. How the client found us? The client found us after watching a video on YouTube and having a bad experience with another agency. They were spending a lot but getting very few results. When we checked the account, we found issues like using broad match keywords, bad ad copies and not targeted audience. They also were not tracking conversion properly or adjusting bids properly. With the ads expertise in Google Ads, we fixed these problems and made a plan to get better results. Challenge. The main challenge was to create a Google Ad campaigns that would attract potential customer looking for professional landscaping service. The objective was to generate a significant number of leads while maintaining a low cost per acquisition. Objectives. The main objectives were to boost online presence and brand visibility, drive qualified traffic to the website, achieve a monthly leads target of 40 plus. Strategy. Market analysis. We started with the comprehensive analysis of the Canadian landscaping market, identifying key trend, customer preference and competitive dynamics. Keyword strategy. Implementing a mix of targeted keywords related to landscaping services, we ensure our ads appealed in relevant search queries. Long tail keywords were included to capture more specific and high intent searches. Ad copy optimization. We crafted compelling ad copies that highlighted the unique selling points and benefits of a client landscaping service. This included attention-grabbing headlines and strong description that address common customers' needs and pain points. Geo-targeting. To maximize the relevance and effectiveness of the ads, we used geo-targeting to focus on specific regions within Canada where our client services were available. Ad extension. We utilized ad extensions such as call out extension, call extension, structure snippet extension, site link extension to provide additional information and make it easier for potential customer to get in touch or learn more about our services offered. Landing page optimization. Ensuring a seamless user experience, we optimize the landing pages to be highly relevant to the ad content. Clear call to action and contact form were placed to encourage conversions. Continuous monitoring and optimization. Regular performance analysis allowed us to make data-driven adjustment to the campaigns. We refined keywords, adjusted bids, and tested different ad variation to the continuously improved results. Now let's talk about the results. Lead generation. The Google Ad campaign successfully generated over 40 plus high quality leads per month for a client in the Canadian market. Cost per acquisition. We achieved leads with the CPA of $18.46. Enhanced visibility. The strategic use of keywords and geo-targeting significantly increased the client's visibility in relevant search results, attracting a steady stream of potential customers. Sustained performance. Through ongoing optimization, we maintained the campaign's performance, ensuring a consistent flow of leads and maximize the client ROI. Our top converting keywords: professional garden service, lawn maintenance companies near me, lawn services near me, landscaping companies near me, etc. Now let's talk about conclusion. By leveraging the capabilities of Google Ads and implementing a well-rounded data-driven approach, we successfully helped our client in the landscaping service industry and achieved substantial lead generation in the Canadian market. The combination of target strategies, complying ad creatives, and continuous optimization resulted in a significant increase in monthly leads and low CPA. We established our client as a preferred choice for professional landscaping service in Canada. If you have a PPC ads running in a similar niche, reach out for a free audit via the WhatsApp number on the top right. If no PPC ads yet, contact us with your website URL, monthly budget and location targeting for a tailored proposal. Please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more success stories and insights. Thank you.